Dear students of class 10th, my dear student, today in second video of teaching, I am taking the topic of heterotrophic nutrition. So my dear students, as you have studied the autotrophic nutrition by several videos, notes, class study, now come to the second one, that is heterotrophic nutrition. Dear students, heterotrophic nutrition is performed by those organisms which cannot manufacture their own food, and they are herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Dear student, as you know, the herbivores, they dependent on the plants only. Carnivores, they dependent on the animals only for their food, and omnivores, they dependent on both plants and animals. This one, animals, plants and animals, both. Plants and animals, both plants only. So you have seen this categorization of the types of the heterotrophs. These are the types of the heterotrophs: herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. So while studying this heterotrophic nutrition, you have to know it very clearly about these three categories, and further leading to the topic that is very important as far as your study and your performance importance is concerned, that is the nutrition in unicellular organisms. Nutrition means feeding. So how does unicellular organism perform their nutrition process? So let us study about the nutrition in unicellular organisms like paramecium and amoeba. Dear students, the unicellular organisms, they are protozoans and they are having the peculiar characteristics of contractile vacuole. Contractile vacuole are there only in these protozoans for the catching the food, taking inside the food, and digestion and excretion of food. My dear students, in paramecium, as you know, this is ciliated unicellular organism. Cilia are there, and this is nucleus. Paramecium are binucleate. इसमें double nucleus is there. So binucleate paramecium, that is an unicellular organism, protozoa. The nutrition in this paramecium is dependent upon the movement of the cilia. Cilia moves and food comes inside this groove. This food comes inside this groove through the water through the water inside the groove, and food enters in a covering that is called contractile vacuole. This is contractile. In this contractile vacuole, food gets digested and assimilation of food takes place in this cell of paramecium. So you have seen this peculiar type of nutrition in paramecium, and now come to the nutrition in amoeba, which is again important. Question may arise from this topic. Dear students, as you know, this amoeba is having pseudopodia. This is nucleus. This is food. And as you know, this is present in the water, and while moving with the help of the pseudopodia, food comes into the contact of this pseudopodia, and this pseudopodia capture the food in the water to engulf the food inside the cell of the amoeba. So you are looking here in this diagram, amoeba is here in the water and food is there. Further, in second stage, this pseudopodia arrives to capture the food, and this food is going inside the cell by this pseudopodia form the contractile vacuole. This pseudopodia form the contractile vacuole. As a result, this contractile vacuole get inserted into the cell and formation of full contractile vacuoles which capture the food inside the cell. And in the contractile vacuole, the food get digested and assimilated inside the cell. So cell will be able to digest this food inside the contractile vacuole and assimilation takes place. This is cytoplasm inside the cell, and in the cytoplasm the assimilation takes place so that this amoeba can acquire the requirement of the food, and amoeba can survive for a long time. Amoeba can move, amoeba can reproduce. This is the again normal stage of the amoebic cell. So you are looking this nutrition in unicellular organism, either in paramecium or in amoeba. Dear student, this is a nutrition, very basic type of nutrition, that is nutrition in unicellular organism. And as far as heterotrophic nutrition is concerned, by discussing this herbivorous, carnivores and omnivores, let us study about the nutrition in human. Human is omnivores, as you know, human is omnivores. So human body is designed to take the food from plants as well as from animals also, just to meet the requirement of protein, carbohydrate, other essential minerals, vitamins, etc. for the survival of human being, to meet the daily activity of human being, to meet the good metabolism in the human body. We will discuss it. And dear students, after this topic, we will be able to discuss the nutrition in human. So dear students, today's topic that I have taken heterotrophic nutrition, and the first part, that is nutrition in unicellular organism, types of heterotrophs. So you have to study it, and further we will discuss about the nutrition in human. My dear students, as you know that human body is well advanced animal body that is having different systems, and all the systems are advanced. And as far as nutrition is concerned, you will study about the digestive system of human. Digestive system of human consisted of three main parts: mouth cavity, alimentary canal, and associated digestive organs and glands. So dear students, in the mouth cavity, when human take food in the mouth cavity, the digestion process starts from the mouth cavity itself with the help of the crushing of food by teeth, and digestion of carbohydrate and starch takes place inside the mouth with the help of the salivary amylase that is secreted from saliva. So dear students, in the next video you will study detail about the human digestive system and physiology of digestion in human with the proper diagram on the board. Thank you very much.